start with, let's talk about audio. So a lapel mic or a boom mic or a shotgun boom, whatever it is, record better audio. That is going to elevate your videos dramatically, tenfold. It'll be the one thing that will make your videos stand out from everybody else's, by having good audio. When we watch videos, if there's something, it's a loud noise, the audio's not great, what are we going to do? We'll just scroll away. By recording better audio, you're going to have better video. Get rid of that shakiness. So either use a tripod or use a gimbal. They're two options that will make your videos look even better because you've got that steady, smooth tracking of a gimbal, or you've got that locked off, nice and straight shot using a tripod. Lighting can make such a difference. Already you can see this shot looks fantastic when it's properly lit, and you can do this in your videos too. So think about how you can use lighting so you can have a shot that looks more like this compared to a shot that looks like this. So that's just 3 things that we've talked about that can take your content from looking where you're thinking, yeah, it looks okay, it's not great, to making it look really cool and really professional. Is there anything else you want me to cover? Let me know in the comments.